Hi, in today's episode, I'll show you one of our Sylius Plus modules called B2B Kit and its features. It will be related to customer groups and groups pricing lists. I'll show you how to create those and manage them. Let's pick Groups button on the left. Here we can see all customers groups that we have. Right now we have retail and wholesale. Let's create a new group. We need a code and a name. Let's call it test. The group has been successfully created. Now, let's create a specific pricing for it. Let's pick group pricing list on the left. Here we have all group pricing lists that are in our store at the moment. See, here you can also assign customer groups to them. Let's create a new one by pressing Create button on the right. Here we have to select what kind of type of pricing lists it will be, based on percentage discount or fixed discount. Let's go for the fixed discount pricing. Let's give it a name. And now we can assign a customer group to it. We have our new group here on the right, so let's pick it. Now we have to assign what kind of discount it will have. Here you have list of all items in your store and you have to pick direct discounts on them. So I'll go for the first one, everyday white basic t-shirt, and let's give a pricing on it. It's going to cost 10 euros. And I'll also set a minimum price. Now let's press create. The pricing has been created. Now let's go for our customers and assign them to that group. Let's pick the one called tests. Now we have to pick edit. And here we can assign them to one of our groups. Let's pick test and pick save changes. Now let's go back to the customers. Pick our customer again. Now let's pick impersonate. Once it's successful, let's press view your store button. Now we have to search for a t-shirt that we set the price for 10 euros. Let's write everyday white basic t-shirt. We have it. See, you can see that its price is set up for the 10 euros. Thank you.